Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 24th of March. My disclaimer, it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. And I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, we're still seeing a bit of a rally here. We're at 71,000 at the moment, which is significantly above the 50 DMA and slightly above the daily middle band. So, well, pretty much where we were yesterday, only a little lower. In terms of where we are, on the flag is still looking very good. I'm still thinking this is a flag. I'm thinking we might see a rally this week, and that could potentially take us back into a test of 76. And if we did see that, that could then well be a double top, which would be set up to potentially take us pretty close back to the low. That would set up a double top with a target in about 67 area. That doesn't get us all of the way, but it would get us most of the way. In terms of how the flag itself is looking, obviously we didn't test flag support, but it's looking pretty nice, possible IHS forming. All right, looking at Solana. We are currently at 91.66. That is slightly above the, three handles or so above the daily middle band at 88.38, and the 50 DMA is a couple of handles lower at 86.33. Is this still looking like a nice flag? Yes. Obviously, we don't have resistance above at this declining resistance trend line because that's already been broken. Could we be forming a bottoming pattern? Yes, but I think it's much more likely that we're forming a bear flag, and this is a nice looking bear flag. Could the bear flag be expanding? Possibly, yes. We have broken down below it at this last low, but ideally, what I'd like to see is a retest of this high here at 97.66, and then that would set up a double top, which would have a target on a breakdown, which would be in about the 73 area. Again, not all the way back to a retest of this low, which would be the flag target, but much of the way. So we shall see. Could we go a bit higher than that? Yes, in which case I might need to redraw a couple of trend lines. We'll see. All right, looking at Ethereum, that is currently at 21.64. That is a bit above the daily middle band at 21.04, more above the 50 DMA at 2044. Really, we haven't really moved a lot on all of these from yesterday morning. The RSI 14 buy signal has obviously reached the full target, and this again looks like a flag, but it's not as nice as the other two. So we will see. So that's where we are. I'm leaning towards these continuing to be bull flags. I am thinking we could see retests of the recent of these rally highs, and we could set up a series of double tops, which would be a very good thing to have for the next move down. We shall see how it goes. All right, great. No questions today, so I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.